In our last video, we did something that honestly might not have been the smartest idea. We committed to moving to Colorado before our house sold in Charleston. We signed a lease on a place in Loveland, which wasn't the plan. And now, we wait to see if the house actually sells, while we pack everything up and try not to kill each other.
You got tape all over the scissors.
Why are you so close to me?
You said you couldn't get me in.
We're Tempest and George, newly remarried, newly nomadic, and always one wrong turn away from disaster. She writes romance, I plan the trips, film everything, and document the chaos. Welcome to our life. Our house has been on the market now for 2 weeks. We've had a grand total of 2 showings.
Woohoo!
We had open house and 1 couple showed up.
Yeah, that was no bueno.
Also, we found out yesterday there are now 9 houses for sale in our neighborhood. There's 3 on our block. Our lease starts in Colorado in 2 weeks.
Yes.
Are you stressed?
No.
Of course not. No, we're just really excited to move to Colorado. And if you need a house,
Yes, there's one we can show you.
yep, we've got one for sale. Okay. Bye. We had a second open house coming up, and a lot riding on it. You look so cute. I wanted to show everybody how cute you look today.
I look like an oversized baby.
Stop it. You do not.
I'm a 53-year-old baby.
Tempest did an amazing job getting this house ready today.
Oh my god. It's so
Did such a good job. And
While packing.
while packing.
Like, if you saw this house yesterday, there's boxes and boxes.
Yeah.
There's not one thing in those cabinets except George's meds.
Yeah, it's always my stuff that gets left behind.
But nothing in any drawers.
But you did a great job.
No closets.
Now we got to go figure out what we're going to do all day.
I know.
I'm allowed to take care of the outside.
Yeah.
I'm not really
I sequester you to
I'm not really allowed
outer.
inside because I just messed things up.
Yeah, I won't even let you breathe in here. He sneezes and I get pissed.
Yeah, so we better get out of here.
I know.
All right.
Oh, this is cute. This is cute. I can see myself living here. Oh, you can work in here. Oh, that's cute.
It's very cute.
Yeah.
Let's buy it.
Let's buy it.
Let's give him a really big offer over asking price.
Let's start a bidding war.
Yeah.
Oh, this is crooked.
Oh, forget it then. I'm not buying it now.
Oh, look. Their son's in the military.
Yeah.
We should totally buy this house.
Yeah, I think we should give him a lot more money than they're asking.
$750.
Yes, let's go 800.
I feel bad.
He's serving our country.
He's serving her.
Yeah. He is. He deserves it.
Oh, sweet baby boy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
We miss him.
I miss him.
He's coming back soon.
I know. You have the keys?
We don't have keys.
No, to the.
Oh, yeah.
I gave
So we spent like 3 hours at the coffee shop. Mm-hmm. And we actually ran into a bunch of people.
Yeah, if we sat there long enough, we would have just said goodbye to the whole island.
So that was actually, that was good.
Yeah.
Including my ex-wife.
Yeah, that was great. Got to say goodbye to her.
Yeah, but we get along, so it's all good.
Yeah.
And now we're trying to figure out what to do next. 'Cause we still have like another 4 hours to kill. So, I don't know. We'll see where we end up.
Some Goodwill stuff to drop off.
Yeah.
We should wash our car, but my dress is too short and it'll just blow up.
That might actually be a good thing. Come on. Good girl. Good girl, Luna. Good girl. Yeah. The next morning, no offer yet, but at least someone came back for a second visit. There you go. Enjoy your breakfast.
So I'm up early this morning, as I have been, like every morning for the last couple weeks. We also had a second showing yesterday, and we found out from our realtor that the potential buyers looked at 30 houses over the weekend. They're relocating from somewhere, and they're deciding between 3 houses. So unfortunately, we didn't hear anything last night. I saw from the lock, the remote lock or whatever you call it, that they were only here for about 15 minutes. So just waiting to see. Hopefully we get a call either way from our realtor this morning, to see if they're going to make an offer. So wish us luck.
We have a surprise guest this morning, Tempest. Are you excited?
I am. We haven't seen him in a minute. When was the last time you saw him?
I don't even know. Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a minute. Do you need me to help you with breakfast?
No, it's always better if you just stay out of the way.
Yes. Who's coming, Louie? Are you excited? Your best friend. You haven't seen him forever. Where are you going? I'm trying to talk to you.
Hello. Hi, dog. What's up?
Our son Cole came by for breakfast before heading back to college.
Give your daddy a hug. Hello, Dad. How are you? Good.
How would you get up?
I'm good. I'm tired. My head hurts.
Yeah, I figured you
Come on.
walked in.
Looks normal to me.
No.
Bye-bye.
You walk a walk on.
Is it from you or Dad?
Both of us.
So you made it? Did everything?
No, actually, he did it. Oh, wow. I've been too busy.
Hello, camera.
So this is possible. No, it's not possible. This is your last time in this house.
Mm-hmm.
This is the last time in this house.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. You don't care. It's that house. It's just a house.
It is just yours.
What do you think, Luna? So while we waited, life just kind of kept going.
I'm gonna miss this.
So today we paid rent for the first time on our place in Colorado, and our house here in Charleston is still on the market. So yeah, that was a little painful, but hopefully we won't have to do that for much longer. Yeah, this has to work out.